to another tutorial, and today we will discuss the Camera Raw filter. Actually, this filter holds the difference, holds a big difference between other filters. So that's why we are discussing it separately. So look at this image. I got it from Pexels, and this is just a football stadium. And to trigger the Camera Raw filter, just click on uh, this filter and click on Camera Raw filter, and this will open. Camera Raw filter is okay. So welcome to Camera Raw 15.5. Canvas padding. Fit the amount of canvas padding shown when the photo is zoomed. Okay, these are some new features, and 15.5 is till now the latest version of Camera Raw. Initially, it was downloaded from separately other than Photoshop, but this is included in the latest version of Photoshop. Okay, so what color? Monochrome. Okay, if we want this monochrome view, we have to this, and if we want a color view, we can have this. Okay, we can increase or decrease the temperature. This one is looking so natural. Exposure should be we can control a night and daytime also with the Camera Raw filter. Just increase a bit of exposure and below the highlights, shadows, and the blacks are removed, and the texture, enhancing the texture, the clarity. We don't want more clarity. Okay, vibrance. So these are some of the things that we can control. We can control the night and daytime of any point. Like from this point, we want to add a night view or a day view like this. Okay, this. Okay. So we have the detailing, noise reduction, color noise reduction. The image is becoming smooth now. Sharpening, and like this geometry. So these are some of the things you can add to enhance the quality of your image, and then you can compare it with the image. Like this was the image, and we've created like this. Wow, it's much more vibrant, I think. Okay, so this is the use of Camera Raw filter. Thank you so much, guys.